Sleep. A quiet state of unconsciousness. Dead, but still breathing. Every living creature needs it. Even plants have their own way of resting. It's a way for our bodies to recuperate from constant emotional, physical, and mental stress. But when we sleep, why do we dream? Why do some of us don't? For those of you who don't know, dreams are basically stories our minds conjure up while we sleep. Dreams can be very vivid, and other times they can be hard to remember in good detail. They can make you feel excited, sad, or even afraid. Sometimes dreams make sense. Most of the time, though, they don't. To be honest, there still isn't a universally accepted reason for why we dream. Some people believe dreams don't hold any significance. Others think they're necessary for our own well-being. However, lots of research points towards the latter of the two. During one study, subjects were woken up just as they were about to drift into REM sleep, a sleeping stage where dreams are most vivid, and cut them off from dreaming. Those same subjects began to suffer from anxiety, depression, difficulty concentrating, a lack of coordination, increased tension, and even a significant weight gain. So getting the maximum hours of sleep is important. It allows us to use our dreams to their fullest potential. It is most often thought that dreams help solve problems in our lives, help us assimilate memories, and process our emotions. Dreams can also be used as a window into our subconscious, revealing a person's unconscious desires, thoughts, and motivations. Everyone dreams, just some people don't remember that they do. So if we all dream, what do these dreams mean? By interpreting our dreams, we can often gain insight into our own lives and ourselves. Although not the same for everyone, the meaning of dreams holds true for most people. When dreaming of being chased, it means we're avoiding or running from something in our waking lives that requires our attention. When dreaming of water, the quality of the water, as in clear, calm water versus cloudy, turbulent water, usually represents how effectively we are managing our emotions. Dreams of flying or some sort of vehicle can tell us what direction we feel our life is taking us and how much control we think we have over our lives. Dreams of death are often perceived as negative, but they usually tell us there's a dramatic change happening or happening soon. It means the end of one thing and to let something new take over. Like if you dreamt of a past lover dying, it might mean you feel bad for losing them, but it also means you should move on and start anew. Another very common dream are dreams of falling. But not all dreams of falling are bad. Slow falling can sometimes represent serenity and the act of finally letting something go, feeling free. But most people dream of violent, life-threatening, endless falls, which indicates something in our waking lives feels very out of control. Dreams of babies or birth signify the creation of something new. It doesn't necessarily mean a new life in some cases, but it might be a new idea or project or development in our lives. Other people dream about food. No, dreaming of food doesn't mean your stomach isn't satiated, but it could more likely mean that you, yourself, and your intellect could be hungry for new information and insight. There are tons of other meanings for dreams, and of course, each culture has their own take on certain dream meanings, and they could very well be right. Nothing is 100% sure right now, but soon, hopefully, we'll make some more progress on trying to understand the true meaning of dreams. But for now, we'll believe what we have and use it the best we can. Good night. Or good morning. You know what I mean.